start taking that senior discount at the movies. For me, it wasn't when I turned 55. My ego's way too big for that. But when it comes to Medicare, yeah, sign me up. Many of us look forward to receiving the benefits that we've paid into since we started working. But we can only get them by taking the necessary steps before our Medicare birthday arrives. Medicare expert Nancy Faze-Gurnan explains.
Yes, so one of the most important decisions you'll be making is whether you're going to be retiring or not. If you're collecting Social Security, your enrollment in Medicare will be automatic at age 65. But these are the three situations that you may consider. You may want to retire and have Medicare. You may want to continue working and have Medicare. Or you may want to continue working and use your employer health plan. Couple things to know. You may enroll in Medicare even if you're not collecting Social Security yet. And you may enroll in Medicare if you have insurance through your spouse's employer.
Lots of decisions. Well, Sue Altman also specializes in everything Medicare, so help us out with all those decisions.
Okay, let's say scenario one, you are going to retire. So we suggest 6 months before your retirement or your Medicare birthday, you stop and educate yourself. Then 3 months down the road before your birthday, go ahead and enroll. And then you're going to want to start thinking about enhancement options within Medicare, or if you're going to stay on your employer's plan if they offer a retiree option.
And by the way, now's the time to make sure you and your employer stop all contributions to your HSA.
Then, if you're still working and you're 65 and want Medicare, no brainer, go ahead, enroll through the Social Security Administration.
And what if we decide to stick with our employer's health care when we get to be 65?
Yeah, Sue and I strongly suggest that you verify that your employer prescription plan meets Medicare standards.
Penalties for enrolling late? Is that true?
Yes, you can pay an additional 10% or even more per month on your premium, and that's for your lifetime.
So, that's a lot to digest. Can you kind of give us a shortened version of everything?
Sure. First, decide if you're going to continue to work past 65 and where you actually want to receive your health coverage. Know your enrollment deadlines, mark your calendar. This is going to save you a lot of aggravation and lifelong penalties.
Well, everyone's Medicare circumstances are different, so contact Care Counsel with questions about your Medicare birthday circumstances. And happy birthday.